Welcome to Easy Tips for Glowing Skin, where we'll explore simple yet effective ways to achieve that coveted radiant complexion. Your skin is a canvas that reflects your overall well-being, and taking care of it doesn't have to be complex. Let's dive into some straightforward tips that can make a noticeable difference in your skin's health. Hydration plays a pivotal role in skin health. It's not just about drinking water, it's about keeping your skin hydrated from within. Think of water as your skin's best friend, aiding in the removal of toxins and keeping your skin plump and radiant. Setting a daily water intake goal, like 8 glasses a day, can significantly impact your skin's appearance. Next up, nourishment from within. What you put into your body reflects on your skin. A balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that are crucial for skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in foods like fish, nuts, and berries can work wonders for that natural, healthy glow. Now, let's simplify your skincare routine. It doesn't have to involve a dozen steps or expensive products. The basics, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, are fundamental. Opt for gentle, natural products that suit your skin type. Harsh chemicals can strip away the skin's natural oils, causing more harm than good. Stick to a routine that keeps your skin clean and hydrated without overdoing it. Beauty sleep is no myth. It's during sleep that your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself. Aim for a solid 7-9 hours of sleep each night to give your skin the time it needs to regenerate. And here's a little trick. Swap your regular pillowcase for a silk one. Silk reduces friction, preventing sleep lines and potential wrinkles, allowing your skin to stay smoother and more youthful looking. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin. Yes, it's easier said than done, but finding ways to reduce stress levels can significantly impact your skin's appearance. Stress often leads to breakouts and dullness, so incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, be it meditation, yoga, or simply taking time for yourself, can work wonders for your skin. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Shielding your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Make SPF a daily habit, regardless of the weather. Protecting your skin from sun damage not only prevents premature aging, but also reduces the risk of skin cancer. Remember, it's not about striving for flawless skin. It's about embracing your natural beauty. These easy tips can transform the way your skin looks and feels by incorporating hydration, nourishment, a simplified skincare routine, adequate rest, stress management, and sun protection into your daily life. You're investing in the long-term health and radiance of your skin. So take these simple steps and witness the remarkable difference in your skin's glow. Embrace your natural beauty and let your radiant skin speak volumes about your overall health and well-being.